Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the MobaXterm. Now the MobaXterm is an application for Windows, which is a good alternative to tools like Putin. It allows you to launch remote sessions. So with the MobaXterm, you can choose to create your SSH, your Telnet, your FTP, SFTP, or serial sessions. Now the installation process is very easy. First, you just need to open your browser. Then just type MobaXterm. Then you click on this one, MobaXterm.mobatech.net. Click here. Then to take you here, so you click on this Get MobaXterm Now, this button right here. Then the home edition is the one you're going to download. Click here. Then here you're going to download the installer edition. You click here. Now as soon as it gets downloaded, I will go to my download folder. So I'll go to my download folder. So this is it. So I'm going to extract this. Right click on it, extract files. I want it extracted. Okay, so this is the folder. Now you are going to see that file and the Windows installer package. So I'm going to double click on this. Next, accept, next. Yes, so it's installing. So we are done installing. You can just come to your Windows, then search for MobaXterm. So if you are you are installing it for the first time, it's gonna display two themes, the light theme and the dark theme. The reason mine is dark is because I've installed it before, so I selected the dark theme. So as soon as you select a theme, you're going to be asked to start your local terminal that you can use to SSH, transfer file, use the FTP. So you just click on start local terminal. Then here you can just come to these sessions. So if you want to SSH, you can just do it here. You want to transfer file using the file transfer protocol, so there are a series of sessions you can carry that here. Then as soon as you select, you can just whatever one. So guys, this is how you download and install the MobaXterm. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the like and the subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you.